Hey everyone, it's Jordan Finley. Welcome to my channel, where every week we share hilarious videos that'll keep you entertained and laughing. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us keep the fun going. Thanks for watching. And now let's start. When you let your husband take the new Land Rover out to drink with his friends, you'd better be prepared for the possibility that it might come back as a wrecked car. When you and your son are about to board the plane, but he accidentally slips the tickets into a crack in the wall, what would you do? I have to say, the way people get married in some places is truly fascinating. Bro, if it weren't for this video, I would never believe a toilet could suddenly appear in the middle of the desert. This is definitely the cutest modified car I've ever seen. Bro, riding your bike like that in downtown, you're definitely provoking the police. On his first day at work, my buddy almost ended up risking his life. When you're walking your dog, and he suddenly gets bored and wants to go for a swim, what would you do? Bro, I never thought anyone would use a magnifying glass to light a firecracker. That's just hilarious. Bro, I never thought I'd find snacks inside a building wall. I never thought anyone would actually like sleeping in a coffin. Bro, this is definitely the ugliest car I've ever seen in the world. Bro, the money for your dinner was a total waste this time. What would you do when your friend wants to try out your new tractor and ends up driving it straight into the water? Bro, you're just a lump of dough. You really don't need to dance to show off your uniqueness. Bro, you're really lucky your fingers didn't get broken. Bro, your grandpa was just trying to take apart the chair to save you, not to kill you. This is definitely the most sudden way I've ever seen someone get out of a dirt bike. Bro, you're really lucky your tongue is still intact. This is definitely the most beginner-friendly motorcycle I've ever seen. Bro, if that tire blew up, you definitely couldn't post this video online. This is definitely the most painful hurdle video I've ever seen. Bro, I guess your cat definitely thinks its paws smell too bad. You originally planned to go on a date with your girlfriend, but she ended up in the emergency room instead. When your daughter is in no danger at all, your husband becomes her biggest threat. When your friend buys a new motorcycle and wants to try it out, an accident happens. Bro, he just picked up the car from the dealer and got into an accident right outside. I guess the man has been sleeping since last night and hasn't woken up at all. Bro, you were too slow. That's why you got hit on the head. I bet this dog is a professional pickpocket. Bro, I guess your girlfriend definitely isn't someone who can be won over with just a Chanel bag. Does anyone know what the hell this is? Honestly, bro, if you keep spinning around on the lake, I bet you might just saw off the whole chunk of ice. Bro, you're really lucky it only hit your nose and not your eyes. Seriously, I never thought you could ride a motorcycle like that. When your friend gets drunk and wants to show off tricks to all of you, you just know a disaster is bound to happen. Bro, I never thought anyone could collapse a roof like that. I guess Spider-Man might actually be real. Bro, I never thought anyone could control the position of their blood vessels. What would you do when your son has to have his toys pressed against his eyes every time he sleeps? I swear, this is the right way to invite friends out for drinks. Bro, I almost thought your cat had that much muscle. When your son grows up, he will mimic the toys he had as a child. Bro, I really want to know how your car stays balanced. Bro, on his first day at work, he was sent straight to the hospital by his coworkers. Bro, the groom arrived in a Rolls Royce, so if you want to take the bride away with you, you should at least come in a helicopter. Bro, I guess your cat really wants to recharge itself. I never thought cats would be so funny when they clean their ears. Bro, your owner is right next to you and you didn't even notice.